And welcome. If you're new to this channel, I'm Chef Din. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, now is the time to hit that notification button as well, so you don't miss out on my new recipes posted weekly. Here I will teach you how to prepare your ingredients, mix your spices and then cook the dish. So join me on a culinary adventure and learn to cook great Indian cuisine. With my knowledge and experience of over 40 years as a master chef and restaurateur, I will also share with you trade secrets. So let's not waste any more time and let's cook. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Din here, and today I'm going to show you how to cook some naan breads in the tandoor. And basically what we're going to do is get our dough balls ready. These have been resting for about 4 or 5 hours at room temperature. If they go a little bit soft like you see, just keep them in the fridge for a little bit longer and they should firm up. But what we're going to do is put in the mixture. Now the Keema mixture recipe you'll find in the description, and make that up first, and make sure that also is at room temperature before you start this process. So put it in little bits, not in one big lump, just little bits. This way when you make your naan and you push down, it will create pockets, or as you're making the naan bread bigger, and this way it ensures that the mincemeat won't fall out as one lump. So this is how you do it. Make sure it's in the center of the naan, then gently make your dough ball and put it on a plate with a little bit of flour so it doesn't stick, and then cover it. Do this with all your stuffed naans and also your cheese naan. So this is how you do the keema naan. And remember, it's very important that the size of the naans as well. So this size of the naans, what we're going to stuff, are about 150 gram each one, and the little ones are just over 100 grams, so they're small and easy to cook in the tandoor. So like you see, just put little bits to make one portion. And then this way, when you push down, it will create like pockets you have in like a duvet. Now duvet has pockets, and what we're doing is doing the same. We're like creating like a duvet, and that's how to stuff the naan and have it ready. Put a little bit of mincemeat on the mincemeat one, so you know it's mincemeat when you go to make it. This way you can just quickly notice which one's mincemeat, which one is cheese, and so on. With the cheese you do the same thing. Grate it coarsely. I'm using cheddar cheese, which I find is the best cheese for cheese naan. I remember putting the cheese naan on the menu many years ago, before anyone I know had cheese naan on their menu. And it's a simple process, easy. You can basically fill any naan with any ingredient to enjoy as your own, make your own up. You know, you can put cheese, you could put different types of cheese, so to give you a different types of flavor, and so on. So basically now we have the stuffed naans ready. We've got 2 keema naans here and 1 cheese naan. Just make sure that it's floured well, so not to kind of stick to the plate when you're picking up, because you don't want to disturb it now. Basically when you lift it out, you want to be able to just get it out in one go. Dip it in the flour first so it doesn't get stuck to anything, and like you see, push in so you touch both sides of the dough to create the pockets, so that it's nice and evenly spread, the meat inside the naan. Sometimes you may need a little bit of water, just a few drops, just to make sure it doesn't fall. But if the oven is at the right temperature, it won't fall, it will just stick to the oven straight away. Now what we want to do is go in and out within a matter of 3 or 4 seconds, like that. See, in and out. So this is how quick you must learn to do it. And don't get me wrong, you will burn your arm if accidentally it touches the side of the oven. So before you begin, make sure you wet your arm. This is the garlic naan. Make sure the garlic is really finely cut for this. That way it'll cook quicker, because once it's in the oven it doesn't take long to cook. Put a bit of coriander on it, it gives it a nice flavour, and then again watch how quick. This is real time now, remember. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3. So 3 seconds basically it takes to put your hand in, and keep an eye at this stage because the naans will cook very quickly. You know, we've got the cheese naan and the keema naan and the garlic naan coming. Now we're going to put little naans just to finish off. So also remember, where you've taken the naan off, don't put another naan there next time. Work round the oven, so that way the oven has time to reheat where the naan was before, otherwise it will fall off. So that is the key to using the tandoor. Just go round. So I done the first ones at the top, now I'm going at the bottom. As you can see, it's really hot, the oven, so it's cooking very quickly, and this way you'll get the naans done nice and quickly. But remember, the key is the temperature of the oven, and you have to make sure that you can only put your arm or hand in the oven for a matter of few seconds. That's how you know if the oven is hot enough to put naans. You know, this is the key. You know, I've been doing this for over 30 years, 35 years, and I've got a lot of experience. And most tandoori chefs take a good few years to learn the trades of making naans and mixing chicken and marination and so on. So it does take time, and you need a good teacher to teach you. And you're lucky, folks, you have a good teacher. I've taught many tandoori chefs in my time, so I'm teaching you what I would teach them. So if you follow my instructions and observe how I do it, you too can learn how to make naans and impress your friends with your skills. So I hope you enjoy this video, and hope it's a good tutorial for you to understand how it's all done. So enjoy my naans, and remember to subscribe if you haven't, because it's very important you do, because then you get notified when I release new videos, because I release new videos and recipes every week. So anyway, enjoy, and hope to see you soon. Goodbye for now, and take care.